Alright, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are asked to find y if the y dx is equal to 2x minus 1 and if y is equal to 1 when x is equal to minus 2. To solve this, we are going to apply first order differential equation, or we can apply by direct integration. Any of them is giving us the same answer. Okay, they are the same thing. So this is first order differential equation. So we can apply direct integration or by separable method. Anyone will give us the same answer. So we are having that. They gave us that dy dx is equal to what? 2x minus 1. So if I separate them, I'm going to have that dy is equal to 2x minus 1 all multiplied by dx. So integrating both sides, I'm going to have the integral of dy will now be the integral of 2x minus 1 dx. Okay? Differentiation is opposite of integration. They will cancel out. So y is left here is equal to integration of this. It will give us 2x squared over 2 minus x plus a constant. So if to cancel 2, I'm having that y is equal to what? S squared minus x plus what? A constant. But they gave us a boundary that will help us to get our c. So they say that when y is 1, that our x is minus 2. So minus 2 squared minus 2. So minus into minus 2, then plus c. So I'm having that 1 is equal to 4 plus 2 plus c. So therefore, 1 minus 4 minus 2 is equal to c. So c is equal to minus 5. So the y I'm looking for is equal to x squared minus x minus 5 because our c is minus 5. As simple as that. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like our video, share, and subscribe. May the peace of the Lord be with you. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.